and welcome back to Once Upon a Good Time. My name is Nicole, and today we're going to be making one of our favorite home-cooked meals. It's very simple. We're going to be using the spicy noodles, some steak, and some veggies. So come and join us, have an appetite, and let's have a good time. We're gonna go ahead and boil for the noodles. We're gonna put it to a boil. So we're just gonna let that be there for now. Okay. And then you can pretty much put whatever vegetables that you want. We like to put some green peppers, and we love the broccoli, all the greens. We got the carrots, but we love green pepper too. It gives like a nice flavor to the meat, right? Like, don't you like that? So I'm gonna go ahead and rinse this off and just chop it. You can get as colorful or as you want, but we're gonna go ahead and do this first. Here.
Yeah, and all the products that we got, you can get at your local grocery market.
Yeah.
The shoulder beef steaks, the vegetables,
and it's really cheap too.
Exactly, and we'll leave the description down below regarding the noodles that Nicole purchased from Amazon for you guys to purchase. It's really delicious and it's affordable.
Yes.
Yeah, there's no wrong way cutting your green peppers. It depends on different people's preferences.
Yeah, it depends on your liking. If you like it or not. You can do it big, you can do it small. They're gonna cook anyway, so they're gonna shrink a little bit.
Right, and just like Gustavo said, anyone
can cook. Anyone can cook.
These are one of my two favorite noodles, and you can purchase it on Amazon. We can leave the description and the link down below. This is the cheese. I think it's pronounced Modak. Sorry if I'm chopping it up. These are the Modak cheese. It's the hot chicken flavored ramen. It has that little spice. And then this one is the carbonara. I think the carbonara noodles. And then for the meat, for our protein, we got a beef shoulder steak, a boneless steak right here. Look at that. And you can also add chicken as well. It's really, like I said, it's really your preference. Alright, you guys, so we're gonna go ahead and start cooking this meat. You see right here, I went ahead and put the oil, and then I went ahead and seasoned it with our 4 seasons. And then I just put a little bit of the green pepper. You see this right here? Right now. See, it's all seasoned up. And then this green pepper is going to give it a nice flavor too.
So what we like is to season our steak. I'm gonna put on garlic powder. You can put in fresh garlic cloves if you want. So let me sprinkle a little bit up. Of course you go.
Yummy. Enjoy.
Alright everybody, so thank you so much for tuning into Once Upon a Good Time. If you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button so that way you don't miss any of our videos or content. Happy New Year, and you guys stay safe out there.